And the girl in the corner with the scarlet letter, while you're watching, you may think that she doesn't matter, but no one knows you better.
Hi guys, I'm Juvel L'Oreal and I'm here to answer all the activities in Chapter 3. So in Chapter 3, Network Protocols and Communication. More and more, it is a network that connects us. People communicate online from everywhere. Conversation in classroom spill into instant message to chat session and online debates. Continuous school new services are being developed daily to take advantage of the network, rather than developing unique and separate systems for the delivery for each new service. The network industry as a whole has adopted a developmental framework that allows designers to understand current network platforms and maintain them at the same time. This framework is used to facilitate and development of new technologies to support future communication needs and technology enhancement. Central to this development framework is the use of generally accepted models that describe network rules and functions. Within this chapter, you will learn about these models as well as the standards that make networks work and how communication occurs over a network. So in this chapter, we need to answer all the activities. The first activities is activity protocols and layers. Instructions. Drag the protocol or standards to the TCP/IP layer name as described. So in this activity, we need to drag all the application that transport the internet and network access. So the first one is the intranet. The intranet is in the network access. SMTP is in the application. TCP/IP are used in internet. POP is an application. TCP is for transport. Interface drivers is a network access. Network access. The OPSPF on the internet. The IMAP on the application. The DHCP on application. The DNS on application. The HTTP on the application. The UDP and the transport. The ICMP on the internet. The FTP on the application. The boot on the application. And the AGRP on the internet. So let's check. You successfully match the protocol name to the correct TCP/IP layer. Next is the TBT Part 1 OSI Layer Functions. Instruction: drag the OSI layer to its functional description. The applet segments, transfers, and reassemble data. The answer is transport, exchange frames between devices, I think data link, contains protocol used for process to process communications, I think application, provides a data path or route. The answer is the network because it gives a data path to the route. Bit transmission physical. So let's check. You have successfully matched the OSI layer to its functional description. And next, the part 2 activity, the TCP/IP layer functional description. Controls hardware devices and media. The answer is the network access. Supports communications across diverse networks. The answer is transport. Determine the best path through the network. The answer is the internet. And last, represent data to the user and controls dialogues. The answer is the application. So let's check. You have successfully matched the OSI layer to its functional description. Next activity is the illustrate the encapsulation process. Drag the PDU to the appropriate place in the stack to illustrate the network of the encapsulation process. The passing down the stack. In the email data, the answer is the data because it gives email to the data. And the data, the answer is segments. The transport header data, the answer is packets. The frame header, network header, transport header, data, frame trailer are is frames. And the 1100101010110101010101010101 is bits. So let's check. You have successfully placed the PDUs in the correct order to illustrate the encapsulation process. In Chapter 3 Summary, Network Protocols and Communication, the data networks are systems of end devices intermediary device that media connecting them for communication to occur. This device must know how to communicate. This device must comply with the communication rules and protocols. The activity, like TCP or IP, is an example of a protocol suite. Most protocols are created by standard organizations such as the IETF or IEE. The Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers is a professional organization for those in the electrical engineering and electronics fields. So guys, that's all the activities in chapter 3, the protocols and layers, the OSI layers functions, the TCP or IP layer functions, and the illustrate the encapsulation process.